Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody's okay. Today we're gonna make chicken foot soup. I have my chicken foot here. I have a flour and a little cornmeal here. I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumpling. I have a squash over here. I have like 3 carrots in this. I have a piece of white yam here. I have 2 turnip over here and a piece of celery. I didn't put my seasoning yet. Whenever I reach to that stage, I'll let you see that. So guys, and my pot is on the fire here. With my water soon boil up. So as soon as I finish what is here, I'm gonna put up my season and you'll see what I season my soup with. Okay guys, so my pot is boiling and I washed my chicken foot already. So I'm gonna add my chicken foot to my boiling water. Because I need them to be soft. I don't want them to feel crunchy. I want them to be very soft. I'm gonna add my pumpkin and my carrot also. My squash and my carrot. I'm gonna let this cook for 10 minutes before I add anything else to it. I'm gonna give it a stir. And I'm gonna let it cook for 15 minutes and then I'll come right back. So now my chicken foot is almost cooked. I'm gonna add my turnip and my celery to my pot now and my dumplings. So here I add my turnip and my celery. Okay, it's still boiling. I'm gonna add my dumplings now and let it stay there and simmer. So I'm gonna start making my dumplings. Okay guys, I'm gonna start making my little dumplings. My spinners, as some people would call it, spinners. And after I finish making this, I'm gonna put my seasoning and let it simmer. Okay guys, I'm gonna season my soup now. I'm gonna add my onion first. I'm gonna season it and let it stay there and simmer down. So that's the onion I add. I'm gonna add the chicken dough next. I'm gonna add my garlic first. And guys, I'm not gonna cut them, I'm just gonna crush them to get everything out of it. And I have like 5-6 cloves of garlic. They're small, that's why I put so much. If they were big, I just used 2 or 3. They're small, so I just add. So I'm gonna add my cock soup now. I'm gonna add cock soup. And guys, because I'm putting my noodles inside, I don't put no salt, okay? No salt. So the noodles are salty now. I'm gonna give it a good stir before I put the other one. I'm putting 2 packs. My soup is looking very, very rich and nice. This one I'm gonna add is a pumpkin beef mix. I want it to help to give some more color to my soup. Oops, it's bubbling too hard. And my pot bubbles so much. Okay. So I think the 2 noodles will be enough salt in my pot, I hope. That will be enough salt inside. Guys, it's looking very rich and nice. You can see it's looking very rich and nice. I'm gonna add my green onions after and my thyme. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my thyme. I have my thyme and my pepper here. I'm gonna add my thyme and I'm gonna add my pepper. Now I'm gonna squash my scallion. I'm just gonna beat it. So guys, remember to like, share and comment, guys. And guys, if it's your first time stopping by, welcome. And I hope you may come as a friend and leave as a family by subscribing to our channel. And if you can tell me what you want me to make in my next video. I'm just gonna add it like that. And now I'm gonna let it just take a time and simmer. Maybe for 15-20 minutes and it's gonna be finished. Okay guys, so my soup is ready. Still bubbling a little bit. But the stove, I turned off the stove now. So I'm gonna share a bowl for my niece. Okay guys, so guys, remember to like, share and subscribe please, and tell me how you make your chicken foot soup. And if you are in Canada and you still drink chicken foot soup, could you put a yes in the comment section please? Guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. So this is my finished product. My niece gonna have this just now. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe please. And thank you for watching and see you in our next video. God bless you.